Alright, so what's up? This is my 2017 bike setup. Yeah, let's just get straight up into this. I ride a Fit Bike frame, Savage something, Savage 2 something, I don't even know what the name of it is, but I forgot. Let's go to the handlebars. I'm riding some Fit Bike handle grips. They work pretty good. It's like the only ones. I did buy some Odi ones, but they didn't fit. Yeah, and then I got Odi bar ends, and then I got just a regular Primo handlebars. They work pretty dang good. And yeah, go to my stem. I got a Fit Bike stem. Works pretty good. It hasn't snapped yet. But I don't even think it's supposed to snap. So yeah. I got a Colt headset. Thing works pretty good. I got it on Dance Comp for like $20. It was pretty good. But, yeah. My forks, I got Fit Bike forks. Let's get some new ones. These things are holding up pretty good. So yeah.
So much more than the stress.
Let's go to the wheels. In the front, I got a Bolt, just freaking street tire. Yeah, I had one just like this one in the front, but then it blown, so yeah, sorry about that. And I got a regular, just I don't know the name of it. Just a regular stock rim on it. So yeah, I'm rolling some Fit Bike cranks, working pretty good with a Fit Bike steel. And I get in, I got just a regular chain. Pretty sure it's chain C. So yeah, I got Fit Bike pedals. Things work pretty good. You need to go buy some new ones. So yeah, move to my back wheel. I got a Primo hub guard. Works pretty good. Just paid like $17 for it. Yeah, and it holds up pretty good. And I got a Black Ops pegs. Probably gonna have to go buy some new ones because I had these for a pretty good time. They work pretty good, I guess. So yeah, I got a free coaster in the back. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't even know the name of it. It's just a regular one. So I got a Fit Bike, just Fit Bike tire in the back. Holds up pretty good. Had to go. It was on the front, but then I moved it to the back because I like bigger tires in the back. So yeah. I got a Pivotal Fit Bike seat. The thing's pretty dope. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this setup. If you like it, just hit the like button and go check out my Instagram right there, and go check out Snapchat. It'll be right there too. And just subscribe if you're new. Peace.